Hey, I'm Chris, and this is your product spotlight and housing update for the week of September 15, 2023. FHA seems to have a bad rep due to the misconception many have. However, they're great loans and are helping more people get into a home now than in past years. Here are some highlights. 3.5% down with a 580 FICO score or greater. Only 10% down with FICO scores between 500 and 579. Reduced monthly mortgage insurance, reduced this year to 0.55%. FHA appraisals are just as good as conventional appraisals. I charge no processing fees and I charge no underwriting fees. If you combine that with FHA DPA or down payment assistance, a person can buy a home with very little out of pocket. And no, FHA is not just for first-time buyers. Reach out if you have a scenario, or even if you want to know more about these or other great programs I have available. The base mortgage rate is 7.18%, an increase of 0.06% from last week. Of course, base refers to the available starting rate before borrower-specific pricing adjustments are applied. Mortgage rates remain anchored north of 7% as the market focuses on changed inflation data and, of course, next week's Fed meeting. Although the data ticked inflation up slightly, the Fed seems comfortable with a rate pause next week. Though we're still in the throes of a challenged economy, there's a light at the end of a tunnel, and it's not a train. Affordability continues to slow home sales, and some even think homes will decline in price. This is because inventory typically peaks in August, but is still climbing. Is it though? Or maybe we just prefer negative news right now. Yes, sales are slow, in part due to the cost of money, evidenced by lower application volume. But these people are missing out on future equity, with little or no additional cost in the long run. Ask me how I know. It also doesn't help that in many U.S. cities, it's now cheaper to rent than buy. I remember this happening in previous markets, and of course it always seems to work itself out. I think we just need a bit more time to get things moving again. Well, that's it for this week, so have a great day and a great weekend.